The Mould King 3186 Black Pearl is an impressive model ship, assembled from over 5,266 building blocks, providing an engaging building experience and a stunning display piece measuring over 46 inches long, 27 inches high, and 8 inches wide. Constructed from high-quality ABS and carbon fiber materials, the Mould King Black Pearl ensures safety and durability, with a design compatible with other popular brand toys and a build that holds together securely. Featuring a quick-release deck, rotating rudders, sails, and ropes, along with retractable artillery, this model pirate ship boasts a stable structure and exquisite appearance, making it an ideal decorative piece for any room. This pirate's ship building block kit serves not only as a cool toy model, but also as a valuable addition to any collection, making it a perfect gift for children, friends, or business partners who are fans of building block toys or collectors. Catering to a wide audience, the Mould King Black Pearl ship sets are suitable for kids, teenagers, adults, and collectors, and the company assures to resend any missing or damaged parts for free, ensuring a smooth assembly process. With a high review score of 4.3 and over 150 reviews, this model ship is well received by customers, selling about 50 units per month, making it a popular choice among building sets in the toys and games category.